In front of me is HONOR X7d, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. I got a lot of questions about haptics on this HONOR, so I tested them before recording to show you exactly how to manage all of them. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll a tiny bit to tap on Sounds and Vibration. Now you can click on Vibration at the top in the middle. To mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also select Sound on the left, and this way manage this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. When you're done with all of those options, you can scroll and tap on Phone Ringtone. Now many people miss that you can tap on Vibration at the top for SIM 1 and SIM 2 and adjust them. After tapping on Vibration, you'll be able to pick one of those patterns or disable them completely by selecting None. Go back and do exactly the same for your notifications by tapping on Notification Tone and then Vibrations at the top. Go back again. Scroll all the way down, and last but not least, use this switcher next to System Haptics to enable or disable haptic feedback for interactions, operations, and system status. If you decided to enable them, scroll down a tiny bit more and use this switcher next to Back Gestures Haptics to enable or disable haptics for your gesture as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!